went ahead and we took off the old intercooler and then we put the new one on. This is an ETS intercooler
Nice.
front mount. So we're gonna leave the bumper off for now, and it's gonna increase the aerodynamics and it gives us more clearance whenever we're jumping it out in the dunes, bro. This is the big reveal right here.
Oh, there it is.
So like, it's like, wow, there it is, you know?
What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Before I show you the clips that were taken on the actual day of this filming, this is actually several days later. I just want to give you a preface, I don't know how you say it. You guys know what I'm saying. Before you watch the video, just understand that I did a terrible job of vlogging that day. I was just focused on putting the intercooler on, and so I didn't do a whole lot. So if you're expecting this to be a full install video on how you yourself can install it, probably want to find a different video because this is not going to be your video. Having said that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought. Catch ya later, mate.
So, already been at Tyler's for actually probably only 2 hours because we ate breakfast. We already took the top mount out and everything along with it, which is all trash over here. And the crash beam over there. And we already put the new one on. Now we're just lining up all the piping over here because there's no instructions. Trying to figure it out. Tyler's cutting this, which hopefully isn't too much, because these say cut 3/4 off one side. And 3/4 looks like too much for this because it just goes on here. It looks like too much. So Tyler's just starting with a 1/2 inch. Those two were probably the hardest. Other than that, I watched another video that said you should remove this driver side, but they sent us a lot of bolts to take the washer fluid thingy and move it like 1 inch or so out, so we should have room to put the piping through from here down around, then up through here to connect to the throttle body. Should work without removing that driver side beam, and then this area is just going to be empty. And just to compare, this is the old with this little plastic PVC pipe looking piece of shit. And this is the new. So just a little thicker. Alright. We got the hot side done. Right down there. New flange in, comes down there. Coupler, elbow, whatever you want to call it, comes to here. Since I'm using the stock BPV again. And then right here to the intercooler. Now we just have to do this side. While Tyler was working on that, I put this on. And then because of the spacing, and there's not enough room, you have to take this little driver side, whatever beam this is, off. Now we just got to do the cold side. From here, up through, back to the throttle body, and then we're pretty much done. And it's done. We didn't show you a whole lot. Doesn't matter. It's not too hard.
Not about you.
I think this was the hardest part because it didn't want to fit. If you guys are doing it, you want to go under these, not over. This, we made that up. That doesn't exist. Oh, we moved the battery a little to the right. You relocate this, but it doesn't help. You still have to take the driver's side beam out. And that's it. Now we just gotta put the bumper on and the skid plate. Tyler literally did this the whole time, didn't even help, so.